What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. We have been carefully following the rise of the coronavirus infection and it does not seem to get any better. I have been discussing Chinese Communist Party for a long time. I was talking about what this coronavirus from and where it is, why Chinese Communist Party do this. And that's might be only my opinion, but let's listen another ladies from Chinese Communists who just stand up and spoke out for her right, for her life. Let's see. Yeah, she said this coronavirus is because of the internal fight of the Chinese Communist Party. That they released this coronavirus on purposely.
有钱也买不到药，有钱也买不到病房。然后香港独立，我支持；台湾独立，我也支持；西藏、香港独立都支持，摆脱共产党的邪恶手爪，腐败的政权
，corrupted Chinese Communist
邪恶的社会
，evil society，
可以自由发声
，no one can speak freely。
只有一个人自由发声。
As soon as you speak up, you're gonna get locked up.
喝茶、拘留、
That is so true.
法律
Finally, someone spoke up. I feel so
他
good.
们能说判几多年就能判几多年，律师都没有用的，有一个正义的律师都会关起来。
As long as there's any
说话，因为他们有
lawyers speak up for the justice,
不能正的说话。
they're gonna get locked up as well. Like the doctors, like the journalists.
一个人牺牲，两个人牺牲，革命肯定是有血有肉来牺牲。
Of course, that's why we sacrifice millions of lives, Uyghurs. That's our revolution.
为我的家人，为我以后的后代可以自由的生活。
Finally, some Chinese speak up. Good Chinese.
危险，我也知道。
Speak up, stand up. You are human too.
受不了了。
You are human as well.
满院子
You're not a slave, okay?
没有病床，没有医药 ，CCTV 讲的那个
CCTV, of course.
全部都
CCTV,
是
of course, a
假的
liar.
全部。
All of those,
他们的
yes.
口声，他们的
All
叫
fake
声，
news.
我看到的。我要发声，我要为我
Yeah.
自己发声，我要为我武汉的人民发声，
Nice, she
我
finally
要为
speak
中国
up.
同胞发声。
Yeah, she's really excited. She was really sad. Yeah, I am sad too because she definitely gonna disappear soon. Trust me, guys. Like the Chu Shi, like the doctor, Li Wenliang doctor. Everyone speak up. Gonna wipe out from the Chinese Communist Party. Like Ilham Tohti, like all the Uyghurs. Speak up for anything about your religions, about your lives, about the Jews, even what you saw. You can't even talk. That's really scary. I just don't wanna she get locked up or she got arrested very soon. I wish she can stay on media longer. Because she's waking up a lot of Chinese people. And here's another post I really want to share with you guys. His name is Ömer Bakari. China is using their strategy, Asian strategy culture called 36 strategy. He said the world is now in danger due to coronavirus, which is a biowarfare program. In concentration camps, Uyghurs, Kazakhs, organs are being harvested for profit. I also mentioned that in my previous video, I believe. Uyghurs and Kazakhs, organs are getting harvested and they also used as free and cheap labor. Now the virus is being used to kill off Uyghurs and Kazakhs because the concentration camps are still not closed. People in our town are locked in their apartments and cannot even get their daily needs. They are creating a famine in our lands because people cannot even eat. These strategies were used in the past by dictators such as Stalin, and He said we need to do something to stop this evil killing of a population of people. We need support. We need support in order to stop of the extermination of our people. He said our brothers and sisters really need us to in this very dangerous time. We need to unite it, or else we will facing an undeniable reality of extermination. He also said, I don't even know how to express my concern, but each city have not been able to find supplement or medicine to protect their health. This has been going for few years now. The whole world is focusing on the coronavirus. They try to distract people from the concentration camp, and it looks like Chinese Communist Party is trying to wipe out the peoples of East Turkestan. And he also mentioned when he was in concentration camp, Chinese Han people were allowed to purchase food, but we are not, even if they have money, even if we have money. This will be happen and repeat again. Only Chinese Han people able to get food, and Uyghurs are all get die because of the starving. Because Chinese communist is a super racist. And he also mentioned we should not forget the 2009. Our brothers and sisters do not have anyone to rely on. Parents and children are waiting for their families to return. We need to see the coincidence of the attention shifted to the Uyghur in the concentration camp, and now suddenly this attention has shifted to coronavirus. Good job, Ömer Bakari. I like this post, and thanks. I'm saying all this and making all this video to call the support from the world to Uyghurs to close the camps, guys. Yes, coronavirus is a big issue, but we have to close the camp first. Uyghurs are locked up in the camps, doing free labor. Now the coronavirus. They try to wipe us out, and now they made it coronavirus. So both, we have a lot of danger under this regime, under the Chinese Communist regime. There is that much of crime to the Tibetans, and the world did nothing. They did that much of crime to the Uyghurs. The world did nothing again. Now they try to use this coronavirus, which is lab-generated bioweapon, to kill more and more people inside of the China and also outside of the China. If we don't stop them this time, what we have to worry, we might need to worry about the earth. The whole planet gonna get destroyed by this monster Chinese Communist Party. Let's stand up, guys. Let's stand up with that two guys. Let's stand up, guys. Let's stand up as a justice believer. And if you don't agree what China doing to the people inside of China and to the world, leave a comment as #JusticeBelievers. I will reply you as soon as possible. Please join my justice journey, and I will see you next time.